Oblique Civil. Oblique Seville beating Noah Lyles for the second time in the Diamond League. And I know what you guys gonna say. The fans of the sport will be saying it doesn't matter. But as I said before, it matters. If this was Kishane Thompson, the conversation would have been, well, he lost. It should have been a faster time. It should have been more dominant. But you want to beat Kishane and you're still not trying to beat Oblique? Yes, we understand what happens with Oblique Civil. Oblique Civil is not the gold medal man, the silver medal, or the bronze medal man. But he's the man that you have to overcome right now. And this must be a confidence damper for Noah Lyles. Noah Lyles went out there, lined up against Oblique Civil, and he didn't even go sub 10. He went sub 10 because he's trying to chase the energy that comes with Kishane Thompson. That's why I said that the guys are playing chess, stepping away from that race and let him go ahead and race alongside Oblique Civil. One might say, you know what? One might say that Oblique Civil is no threat, so he didn't feel motivated to run alongside Oblique Civil. But Oblique Civil destroyed him. He demolished him. People talking about let's have Noah Lyles and Kishane Thompson lined up next to each other. Noah Lyles is trying to drain the energy from Kishane Thompson. Kishane Thompson decided that, you know what? Oblique Civil is a major boss. You must overcome that guy first. And with one of the other problems I'm having here is Ackeem Blake. Ackeem Blake, the third athlete out of Jamaica to represent at the World Championship. It's just a pity he's staying in that 10 range, because we know that there are athletes in Jamaica who can and who would go toe to toe with Noah Lyles, just like Oblique Civil and Kishane Thompson. You know, there's athletes on a different level. You get it? Level. Brian Level. Yeah, I believe Brian Level could definitely compete, because in this race we also had Courtney Lindsay. Why did Courtney Lindsay finish with a time of 10.27? Brandon Ickel 10.20. Zarnell Hughes 10.09. I don't know what happened, but this shows that Oblique Civil is on a different level as well, because with these athletes running the times that they are running, one might say, you know what, Oblique Civil had been well rested and prepared for Noah. It might be, I saw somebody said that Kishane is not trying to duck Noah Lyles, he's trying to duck Oblique Civil. What I'm seeing here could suggest that Oblique Civil might have had an opportunity to challenge Kishane Thompson if he was in this race and get the confidence boost that he needed. Noah Lyles is not a confidence boost for Oblique Civil or Kishane Thompson at this point. Those guys running alongside those guys would give Noah Lyles that confidence that he need. But it's also interesting to see that Noah finishing with the same time as Ackeem Blake, but still being able to win the photo finish once again. This is a clear indication that you should not and cannot allow the photo finish and judges to determine the victor. The victory will always go to the big dog. Yes, the big dog, Noah Lyles, will always get the victory in a photo finish, and this is very sad. This is very sad, but it's also clear that you cannot win against the US when it comes down to a photo finish. Noah with a time of 10.02. What is the excuse in this one? What is his excuse? He said that you guys will see something special at Lausanne, but you forgot that Oblique Civil was going to be there. Remember, we have been talking about this race. We had been hyping this race up. The comment section said that there is no opportunity for Oblique Civil. They even made how would I put it? A condition in the statement that says this is not the world championship, so it does not count. Even before the race got ran, they said it doesn't count because it's not the world championship. But guess what? It counts, because this is the second time this season that Noah Lyles had lined up against Oblique Civil and he got demolished. The first time he got this is a similar run to what happened the first time around. The season opener that some people are saying like what? The season opener that Noah Lyles finished with 10-0, 10-0-0, 10 flat. No, this one is another 10-8 run by Oblique Seville where Noah Lyles finished 10-0-2. And he won ahead of Ackeem Blake, who also finished 10-0-2. I have to make sure you guys remember that Ackeem Blake finished third with the exact same time as Noah Lyles. Just the same way how Kishane Thompson finished second with the exact same time as Noah Lyles. I wonder if Noah Lyles is taking a look at this and he's like, you know what? I just want to finish close to those guys because they can't win if the judge is in the mix. If the judge is in the mix, if it is a fan decision, they cannot win. Well, yes. Just to wrap this all up, man. Oblique Civil lined up on the track. And remember, guys, this is Oblique Civille's first Diamond League season. We are seeing a different Oblique Civil. We are seeing a different approach to track and field, a different approach to a championship here. Oblique Civil usually would be a cautionary athlete, one who's just preparing for the big moment, and he's been managing injury. And over time, you have seen where he grew from that boy to a man. A lot of people is saying that he's a little bit more bulky, but the bulkiness seems like it's giving him the speed. People do recognize that Oblique Civil is a top athlete, and the fact that he destroyed Noah Lyles once again, and it seems like he'll have to prove that he is that good. I think the next person that he'll have to destroy, and we are all here rooting for him while he do it, is Kishane Thompson. I believe Oblique Civil will need to beat Kishane Thompson because one is saying that Oblique Civil looked like he wasn't even prepared to run at the trials, but he ran Kishane Thompson down, almost catching him. Oblique Civil ran him down. Kishane Thompson had the fastest race of his life, and Oblique Civil ran him down. He closed on him. He closed on him. So Oblique Civil is creating waves and is leaving patterns that suggest that he's going 9-7 soon. Kishane Thompson, 9-7 athlete. In his last race, the previous race he ran with good competition, he ran 9-8-7. And Oblique Civil, with the same competition, ran 9-8-7, while everybody else, nobody else was pushing him. This was Oblique Civil running with his own strength. Oblique Civil running against himself, getting to 9-8-7. Kishane Thompson running against a crowd closing fast, getting 9-8-7. Oblique Civil is ready. Oblique Civil is ready, and he is a 9-7 athlete in my book. Drop your comments down below. Let me know what you guys think. Oblique Civil, the next one to take down is Kishane Thompson, and I'm ready to see that happen. Want to hear from you guys. Let's review the replay. This one had been successfully reviewed because we have been reviewing it already, and the fans are saying that it can't be Noah. He's a Asafa 2.0. Again, this is not a championship. It's a pre-season, it's a pre-championship race, but I like it, and I want to hear from you guys. Tell me how much you like it. Review the replay. I'll see you in the next one.